Hello folks, Steve AB4L. This is going to be a quick in and out. It's Thanksgiving Eve. People are shopping like hell, but I guess they're not stopping for chicken. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending anything. I'm just going to get something to eat. This guy already had his stuff. What's the story? Are you going to let me go, or are you going to run into me? Steve, I'd like a #1 deluxe meal, please, with a Coke Zero, no ice, and could I ask what the cheese is on? Colby Jack would be great. Are you going to steal everything on my $1 million debit card? Is that thing still working? No, that's it, thank you. No talk. I'm just giving you Thanksgiving fun. That's correct. There you go. All right, we good? Thank you. Receipt for Steve, please. Yes, please. Thank you. Is summer coming? 2 days from now, it's not going to be like this. Yeah. I saw what was happening up like in Michigan. They're really getting it. We're going to get the forward edge of that. That's all right. Mount Mitchell needs the snow for skiing. There you go. I like talking with the folks that take care of the orders. They're always really nice. There isn't anybody with a really big order in front of me. What do you think about the taillights on that car? From the medallion, I think that's actually an American brand. That's not typical, is it? Look like brush strokes. Wonder how much that assembly costs to repair. Can you just put a bulb in there like they can on my car? Oh, and the one in front of it's fancy dude. Oh, I'll bet it's the same make. It's got the same taillight shit. What's the chance of 2 cars in a row having the same taillight design? Must be a popular brand. Hope I don't run out of gas waiting for my meal. Come on, cooks, let's get going. Here, I thought it wasn't busy. I'm watching the lead truck. That's the one that's holding the line up. I want to see how big a bag they give me. No, they didn't give me anything. Alright, the next car behind got their order. But they aren't going to be able to pull out of the line. I hope she brings my order down here. This is amazing. Why didn't they make that person pull forward? Go park. There's nothing happening down there. There's nothing. She's talking to him. I think they're trying to tell him to pull out and pull over. Yep, that's exactly right. Now the car right behind it kept going because they got their order. You see that car, that truck that's parked over there? You have a super order that they can't fill. Why did you come to this line? Now what are they negotiating? Mine. All right. Steve. Thank you. Oh. They're hot. Waffle fries are delicious. Oh, now they're busy. That person wants to cut across. They're not going to get it. I just beat the crowd. Yeah, we aren't going to let you pull up. That person's still thinking they're going to go across. Gotta get my straw. Okay, we're headed home. Turn on the booster rockets. Ready for takeoff. 3, 2, 1. Ah! See baby for you. Happy Thanksgiving. Saying Stu 73.